Now you should ask yourself, kung may partner ka, ask yourself, when was the last time that you sent a message to your partner telling him, telling her that you appreciate all the things that he's done, that she's done? When was the last time na na-appreciate mo yung partner mo na parang, Mami, Daddy, masaya ako na binigay ka sa akin ng Diyos. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo. We appreciate and we love you. When was the last time? Except nung Father's Day. Except nung Father's Day. Invalid yun. When was the last time? Kasi madalas, you are verbal with your complaints to your partners. You are verbal to your complaints, but you are not verbal to your compliments.